Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let me begin. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer data from your old device into your Samsung, and also how to restore backup from the external storage drive, from the Samsung Cloud and from the Google one. So let's begin. The first method that I'm going to show is how to transfer from your old device into your new Samsung. So we are doing the setup process. As you can see in here, we need to select our language that we are interested in. So simply find the language that you are interested in, click on next. In here you need to agree to the license agreement, click on next. And now we have the first method that we are interested in. It's easy setup with another device. Let's begin with a Galaxy or Android device. Let's click right in here, and now we need to scan this QR code using our second device. So let's unlock it first. You could also see that the phone automatically wanted us to set up this Galaxy, so we want to click on setup. If it doesn't work for you, you can always open up the camera app, and in here launch your QR scanner and simply scan this code. So let's scan it. Okay, now it should be fine. Let's try again because something went wrong. I don't know why. Let's click on again, setup. Let's scan the code. Okay, now I need to verify by typing my screen lock. Okay, now as you can see, the phone is connecting to the Wi-Fi automatically. So now let's wait. Okay, this might take a few minutes, so we just need to be patient. Okay, now we need to draw the pattern of our previous device. In my case, of course, it's not required every time, because for example, if you don't have the screen lock on your old device, you won't have to do this. Okay, now we are almost finished in this loading screen. In here you can connect into the mobile network if you want. If you want and have that possibility, you can insert this SIM card right now. But I'm gonna click on setup later in settings. Now we have option to copy data from your Android device. Let's click on next. And now let's click on agree. Click on allow. And now we can do this wirelessly or using the cable. If you don't have a cable that fits, because it will require the USB-C to USB-C cable. If you don't have a cable, just like me, we can click on wireless. Let's click on let's go. On our second device, let's also click on wireless. And now let's scan this code. It doesn't want to focus. I don't know why, but it should in a few seconds. I think it's because it's too bright in here. If you have a problem just like me, we can click on a trouble scanning and we can type this manually, this code. I think I'm going to do it because the phone doesn't want to get focus, and it doesn't want to connect, but don't worry, we can always type manually. Okay, now it should be fine. Now it should connect, I hope so. Okay. Alright, now we can see that searching for data to transfer process has been started. So let's wait until it's finished, and now we can select data to transfer. We can choose everything. In here you can see how long it's going to take and how many gigabytes will be transferred. We can also select just calls, contacts and messages, or we can click on custom. Click on next if you want, and in here you can manually select what you want or don't want to transfer. In my case, I'm gonna select just calls, contacts and messages, then click on next. Okay, now we can select the screen lock, but it's not necessary. We can click on skip. We can also see that on our previous device that we are done. We can click on done. We won't be needing that phone anymore. In here we have the Google services. Simply scroll down and click on accept. Now we have possibility to enable the Google services, such as backup. It's a really cool feature. You should turn it on. Now click on next. In here we can select the default browser and also the default search engine. In my case, it's gonna be the Google Chrome and Google as my search engine, but remember that it's completely up to you. And now we have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. We can turn it on. Of course, everything that I'm showing you in here, it's up to you. You can always disable that features in the settings or turn them on if you didn't do it. If you didn't do that now. Now we have possibility to log in into the Samsung account or to create a password or account. But in my case, I'm gonna click on setup later in settings. Click on skip. In here, select terms and conditions, or if you want, you can also select those options below. Then click on agree. Click on more and agree. Choose your display mode, light or dark. I'm gonna leave the light one. Okay. In here, if you want, you can select those recommended apps, but I don't want any of them, so I'm going to unselect it. Then click on next. Okay, we are all set up. Let's click on home. And now we are ready to use our device. If you choose to transfer some apps, they might be being installed right now from the Play Store, so make sure in the notification bar right in here is something being installed. As you can see, for example, from the Play Store, some apps are being installed, so don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and wait until everything will be downloaded. Okay, so that was the first method, and now I'm going to show you how to restore backup from the Google one. Okay, so we are again during the setup process, and now I want to show you how to restore, just like I have said, from the Google one. So now we need to click on setup manually, and now we need to choose the Wi-Fi network. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me only type my password. Then click on connect. Oh, something went wrong. I don't know why. Okay, now it will be okay. Okay, in here, let's click on setup later in settings. Of course, in my case, but if you want to click right now, you can. Alright, getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes, so let's simply be patient. Also, if you don't know how to create all of those backups that I'm showing you how to restore, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you how to do this, so if you want to, you can look for it. Okay, and now we have option to copy apps and data. Let's click on next. And now we need to click that we can't use other device. That is crucial, so select that option. And now in here we have another crucial thing. Now we need to sign in into the same Google account on which we made the backup earlier. It is very important. So simply type your email. That's what I'm going to do now. Okay, once you have typed it, now we need to type the password. Click on next. Oh, I typed it wrong. Okay, now it will be okay. Click on next. Click on agree. And now we have option to restore data from another device. That's the thing that we wanted to get. In here we have a list of backups that we made on our Google account. In here I'm gonna simply select the one that I made 40 minutes ago. And now in my case I need to confirm by drawing the pattern that I had before the backup. So I need to draw it. Okay. And now we need to choose what to restore. So when it comes to the Google Photos, Gmail, and Calendar and Drive, it is synced automatically. And below we have apps, contacts, and the device settings. And for example, when it comes to the apps, we don't need to copy, all of them. We can simply click right in here, and we can manually select what we want or don't want to copy. Remember that some of the apps are system apps, so be careful what you want to copy or don't want to copy. Simply click on OK, now click on restore. Now the process will start. Now again we have possibility to set the screen lock, but I'm going to skip it. Now again we have the Google services. Scroll down and click on accept. I'm gonna turn on the backup. You should also. Now I'm going to repeat everything that I did in the previous method. So again, Google Chrome as my default browser, Google as my search engine, okay, now we have the Gemini. Click on continue, click on no thanks, or if you want you can turn it on. It's completely up to you. Okay, now the Samsung account, I'm going to set it up later in the settings. In here, accept to terms and conditions, or if you want, you can click on all. Click on agree. Agree once again. Now the display mode, I'm gonna leave the light one. Okay, in here we have the recommended apps. I don't want any of them, so I'm simply going to unselect them. Click on next. Okay, click on home. And now we are ready to use our device. And some of the apps might be installed from the Play Store, as you can see. So don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet and simply wait until everything is downloaded. Okay, so that was the second method. And now let me show you how to restore backup from the Samsung Cloud. Okay, to restore the backup from the Samsung Cloud, we need to open up the settings and we need to log in into our Samsung account. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Type your mail and type your password right now. and then click on sign in. Okay, you need to agree to everything. Click on agree. If you want to get a faster way to sign in, click on get started, but I'm going to click on cancel. Okay, now scroll down, find Samsung Cloud, but first I need to update it. So I'll see you once it's downloaded. I need to wait a little bit. Okay, it has been updated. So click on Samsung Cloud, scroll down, and click on Restore Data. In here, as you can see, I have the list of backups that I made before. So select the backup that you want. In here, again, select what you want to restore, and click on Restore button. Click on Install Backed Up Apps. Okay, the process is running, as you can see. So I'll see you once everything is restored. Okay, now everything has been successfully restored. Click on done. If you want, you can free up some space, but I don't need that. So that was how you can reset from the Samsung Cloud. And now let me show you how to restore from the external storage drive. So let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down. Let's find now the accounts and backup. Click on external storage transfer. Click on more, click on continue, more, and allow. Now plug in your device. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, simply plug in. And now select restore from USB storage. Now wait until everything is loaded. Now select what you want to restore. It can be everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or you can click on custom and manually select what you want or don't want to restore. I'm just gonna leave on everything. Click on next. It's not gonna take much time because on this backup I only have the calls and messages, so it's not gonna take long. Okay, restoring is complete. Click on next. All set. Now we can click on done. And that's all. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.